Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite with 6.26-inch Full HD Plus display and 24.8 megapixel selfie camera goes official today. The Mi 8 Lite is a mid-range offering with dual rear cameras and a 24.8 megapixel front shooter. Early this year in May, Xiaomi unveils the Mi 8 and Mi 8 Explorer Edition smartphones in its home market of China. Today the company has introduced a toned down variant of the Mi 8 called the Mi 8 Lite in China. Talking about the design first, the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite sports a notch, which is home to the earpiece front cameras and other sensors. The handset features a glass back panel and a rear mounted fingerprint scanner. The phone comes with a 6.26-inch Full HD Plus display with an aspect ratio of 19:9 and a 2.5D curved glass on top. Powering the smartphone is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor. The phone comes in 3 RAM and storage variants, that is 4GB plus 64GB variant, 64GB and 6GB variant, and the last one is 6GB with 128GB variant. The Mi 8 Lite has a 12 megapixel primary shooter at the rear, aided by a 5 megapixel secondary shooter. For selfie and video calling, you will get a 24.8 megapixel camera on the front. So it's a selfie oriented phone, guys. The connectivity option includes 4G LTE, VoLTE, dual SIM slots, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB Type-C, and a built-in GPS. The smartphone boots MIUI based on Android 8.1 Oreo. A 3350 mAh battery completes the list of the specifications. Coming to the pricing, the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite's base variant with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory has been priced at Rs 14,800, while the 6GB and 64GB variant is priced at Rs 18,000, and the last 6GB and 128GB top model has been priced at Rs 21,200. The device will be available in a few color variants, that is Aurora Blue, Sunset Gold, and Midtown Black.
Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any updates.